ratio box, and what it's going to look like is it's going to say ratio on the left side, actual count, I just put AC on that, okay? Actual count, the actual amount that you're looking at, okay? And here's what they tell me. The ratio of salamanders to frogs, okay? So those are the two things we're comparing. I'm going to put salamander S, frogs, that one, okay? And here's what it says. Listen, the ratio of salamander to frogs was 5 to 7, okay? And then it tells me this. If there were 20 salamanders, 20 actual count, 20 salamanders, then how many frogs were there? That's what we don't know, okay? This one, hopefully you can quickly see how to answer this. Claire.
5 times 4 equals
Yes.
20, so 7 times 4 would be 28.
Very good, okay? So what you would need to do, there's two ways to do this problem. I'm going to show you the easy way first, okay? So what you're going to do is go, how did I get from 5 to 20? You multiply it by 4, okay? So what I do to that one, I have to do to this one. So my answer would be 28. That's the easiest way. So if you can figure out the function, that's what it's called. If you can figure out the function, just use it to answer the problem. If you cannot, does everybody remember us doing this? You would go 5 over 7 equals 20 over X or Z or N, whatever. Have any of y'all seen this yet? Have I taught y'all this at all? This is a proportion, okay? And you would go 5 times X
We just learned this like
equals
last lesson.
20 times 7. Does everybody remember how to do that?
Yes.
And then 20 times 7 equals 140. And then 5 times what equals 140? And so 140 divided by 5. 5 times 2, 10. 4 times 8. Okay? So either way, you're going to get the same answer. Okay?
First
So,
one was a lot easier.
a lot easier. Okay. This next one, I want you to write down. I'm going to let y'all do this one on your own. Here's what it says. The ratio of humpback whales to killer whales. So I'm going to put H and K, humpback and killer, was 2 to 7. That was the ratio. And then if there were 42 killer whales, so I'm going to put, here's my killer, actual count, 42. What is, I'm going to put an H there, that. Hopefully you can quickly see. Does anybody know what the function is going to be, Isaac?
Well, it's times 6.
Times 6, very good. So I was like, no. Okay, so times 6 gave us 42. So we would have to do times 6 here, which would give us 12. So there are 12 humpback whales and 42 killer whales. Everybody feel like they understand it?
Yes.
Okay, do I need to show you the proportion way? You feel like you got it? All right. You do not have to do it the proportion way unless it looks like this. If this said 43 and this was nothing right there, can I figure out the function for this one?
You have to divide it, don't you?
Do what?
You have to divide it.
No, we would have to do proportions. So I don't know 7 times what equals 43. There is nothing, okay? So what you would have to do is go 2 over 7 is, let's put an H there, H, oh dear, over 43, okay? Then you would go 43 times 2 equals 7 times H, okay? And we would answer that 86 equals 7 times H, and then I would divide that out, okay, and get my answer. Everybody understand when to use the proportion and when to use the easy method? Okay, that's 88.